Welcome to Excellence. St. Joseph's College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering will hand you plenty of options to choose. Almost every eminent sectors, including government sectors, provide prestigious job opportunities for mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineering is the backbone of engineering, and its field of application is diverse. Automotive sectors, which includes aerospace and marine, design sectors, energy sectors, manufacturing sectors. All these comprise plenty of subdisciplines which make this branch inevitable. In the modernized industries, machines are automated. Hence, automation is the ongoing revolution for decades in various forms. Mechanical engineering is key to the development. Our department offers BE in Mechanical Engineering, ME in Manufacturing Engineering, and is also a recognized research center for PhD. The department is accredited by National Board of Accreditation (NBA). The department functions with well-experienced faculties with splendid faculty retention rate. The well-established department has 13 doctorates, and almost all the remaining faculties pursue doctoral degree. Since its inception, there is always growth in research activities. It is evident that the students enrolled to the department come out with flying colors. Excellent placement records. Students reach reputed overseas universities for higher studies. Entrepreneurs emerge from them. In the process, students bag prestigious awards as well. The department conducts numerous events to enhance the technical knowledge. There are several national level seminars, faculty development programs, workshops, conferences, conducted with self and funding from agencies. Every year, top companies visiting our college recruit most of our students. Many get multiple offers, and they select best among them. St. Joseph's is well known for its infrastructure. Department of Mechanical Engineering functions with state-of-the-art laboratories comprising research facilities which are available for the students to work with. The department is determined to give industry interaction to the students. Industrial visits are made on a regular basis to learn and understand the modern industrial practice. Creativity is inborn and it's nurtured in our campus. Students create their own ideas into reality. Students work with passion. They experience the machine. Their quests bring glory. With the college focused on all aspects, interested students get opportunity to move towards the goal as to serve in defense services or in top civil services with the guidance from the academies. Not just basic facilities. There is much more all can get into. Its history, what our students have made, and the achievements continue. You choose, we do it.